Hey there, Internet. We've all heard of people using their finger to control their smartphone, whether they tap, or they swipe, or whatnot. But what if I told you, instead of using your finger, you can use a computer mouse? Yes, you actually can. I'll be showing you how. Now, for starters, you're going to need some kind of adapter to get you to USB. Now, for this particular instance, I'm using a Galaxy S9 Plus smartphone, so I have one of the new micro USB-Cs. So again, I'm using a micro USB-C to USB adapter here. Again, I had to take off my case, and if you do decide to take off your case, just be careful that you don't break your phone or scratch your screen or whatever. Just kind of a quick cautionary word to the wise. Now, once you get this adapter on, it's as simple as plugging in your mouse. Now, once you plug it in, the red light will come on because it's an optical mouse, and a little cursor will appear, and you can just use it as like you would a standard mouse. You want to move the little cursor, you move the mouse. You want to left click and select something, you just left click. So I want to see previous apps, there you go, I click. Now, things that may differ a little bit, it for some reason will randomly left click from time to time, and you'll see it'll just bring up certain things from time to time. I don't know why, it's a bit weird like that, but yeah, you can just see it did it there. But it just does. You can also hear when I click, it's kind of weird because for the bottom button here, I have, I think, the haptic feedback sensor thing turned on, so you'll hear it vibrate, which is just kind of like you click and it vibrates, and it's just like kind of interesting thought there, but that's one thing. Also, if I end up using the scroll wheel that I have on this mouse, again, you can see it randomly left clicked again. You can see I can use it to scroll my screens. And of course, now again, you can also use the scroll wheel on things like all apps. Now, I also found that some of the buttons may differ a little bit. Like something like the right click button. Well, so if I hit it, it kind of acts as a back button. And if, we'll do it again. And I also found that if you click the scroll wheel, that kind of acts as a home button in a sense. Now again, what's also cool is you can use this with apps. So if I go down and I say I want to see the previous apps that I've used, again, if it decides to stop randomly clicking, I can use the scroll wheel to select a previously viewed app. So here we go. How about we open up a web browser? So I can go through and select different pages. Again, I can use the scroll to scroll through the different selections on YouTube. And again, if I had internet, I could play it. But again, the internet, my phone does not want to seem to connect to Wi-Fi right now. Again, I can just hit the button and change it. So that's basically how you use a standard mouse. So I said, that works with a mouse, you know, just a regular kind of optic USB mouse. What if I pulled out an older one, like, I don't know, maybe a PS2 ball mouse? So here we go, PS2 mouse. Now again, for this I had to get an adapter. So I have an adapter that goes from USB splits into two PS2s, maybe one for a keyboard and one for a mouse. And then obviously here I have my PS2 mouse. Now PS2s are a much older style of mouse. And what I can do with this is I can take it, quickly plug it in, and again, once again, it works kind of the same way. Not maybe as well, but again, you move the mouse. Again, bowl mouses don't work nearly as well, but the scroll key scrolls through. You know, click with the scroll. If you click with the scroll wheel, it acts as a home button, as we talked before. But basically, YouTube, that's it. That's how you can use a mouse to control your smartphone. So I thank you for watching. If you like what you saw, we have some other cool sciencey and technology videos. Check out the channel. And again, if you like this, don't forget to subscribe and share. Thanks for watching. Bye.